Hey guys, welcome back to the Subtl YouTube channel. Today is one of the most exciting days in Subtl history because we have the Brow BFF unboxing, swatching, and trying out for the very first time. I just happen to know that Subtl has been working on this design for like 3 years, and let me just say they perfected it. I've taken a tiny little sneak peek. I was doing a 90s makeup look. I'll be posting that next week, so make sure you subscribe if you want to check out the tutorial for this. But we needed to do an unboxing video of these ASAP. This is really the first time I've had my hands on it, and it's so beautiful. I can't say enough good things, so let's get into it. Okay, so first of all, starting off, this is the box. Of course, the packaging is just gorgeous, and I'm just obsessed. It looks so high-end, like something you would buy straight out of Sephora. So this is the Brow BFF 3-in-1 Eyebrow Enhancer. So it is a brush, a gel, and a pencil all in one. I'll show you in a minute. On the back, you have that you can fluff, fill, and freeze your brows. This is the medium brown shade, so we're gonna open it up. Okay, now, so this is the incredible part. When I first saw the advertising for this, I thought it was gonna be two different like products, like a gel and then an eyebrow pencil, like any other brand normally would, but no, Subtl innovated and did 3-in-1. First of all, we have the pencil, and I just wanna say, like, this is so much thicker than other eyebrow pencils. Like, for comparison, you know, this is a leading eyebrow pencil, and this is like how teeny tiny it is compared to this. So I feel like you're getting way more product. Okay, so let's do a little price and product comparison. So again, this eyebrow pencil, I'm covering the brand because I'm not trying to put them on blast, but you know, it's nice, it's decent. So in this, you get 0.04 grams of product, and it's $27. The Brow BFF in comparison is $24, which initially you might be like, okay, that's kind of a lot for an eyebrow product, but actually not really when it's 27 is the competition. So you're getting the pencil, which is 0.2 grams of product versus 0.04, okay, over 4 times more. This is less expensive, and you also get the gel. Now let's do some swatching. Okay, so the shades that they were released are taupe, auburn, medium brown, and dark brown. Let me just say, Subtl does not forget the redheaded girlies. So first we're gonna unbox taupe. Okay, here is the pencils. Let's just go ahead and do them on my arm. And it draws on so smoothly. A lot of eyebrow pencils, you really have to like warm them up in order to get the product off. That ends up not being good for your eyebrow hairs because you're having to really like push to try to get the product out. This just goes on so smoothly. Maybe we'll do a wear test too, like do it at the beginning of the day and see how it lasts throughout the day, but I can't believe how beautifully that goes on. So there is the taupe, and I feel like sometimes I actually really like to go lighter, but I think I'm gonna try taupe and medium brown. I'll do either eyebrow and then we can see which looks best. Next up, we have auburn. And just so you know, the gel is clear. So you're gonna get the same clear gel on all the products. Let's do auburn next. Wow, that's a really bad line. Okay, but you can see the shade difference, obviously. Medium brown. And lastly, we have dark brown. This is taupe, this is auburn, medium brown, and dark brown. It's really hard to see the difference on camera, but eyebrow shades are very subtle. Okay, I think I applied too much pressure on the first one, so I went ahead and did it again. Here you can see is taupe, auburn, medium brown, and dark brown. And then I did just realize that there's actually a 5th shade, which is black. I just didn't receive it, so I didn't realize that there was a 5th one, but that's awesome. We love that they have a wider shade range. So obviously it's just gonna be a black shade. If you have black eyebrows, then that's what you're gonna order. So I'm sorry I can't swatch that one for you guys, but hopefully that one is gonna be pretty straightforward. Now let's go ahead and get into the product. I'm gonna make sure and remove any product from my eyebrows first. Okay, I have all product off my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try taupe and medium brown. Now when it comes to eyebrows, I usually tend to go lighter, but I've recently realized that the one I've been using is actually not a very good shade match for me, so I'm really excited to try these. So I'm just gonna go in and fluff the eyebrows up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take medium brown, and my eyebrows are a little uneven. If you guys have been here for a while, you know this. But when you're doing your eyebrows, eyebrows, what they say is that you want to line it up with like the inner corner of your eye. Like that's how far you want to bring it out. If you draw a line from this corner of your eye, that's about where you want your eyebrow to end. Mine like fall a little bit short, so that's why I'm gonna go ahead and fill it in. So I'm making little fake hairs. Whoa, okay, no lie, like this is such a good color match for me. I've been really needing to find a new one, so I'm so excited. Like, oh, are you kidding? That looks real. That looks like I actually have hair there. Like it doesn't look that real usually. And it just went on so smoothly. Okay, I'm about to majorly up my eyebrow game with the Brow BFF. Like, are you kidding me? I like to also, don't hold it like up here or else you're gonna apply too much pressure. Like you're doing little light strokes, right? So that it actually looks like eyebrow hair. And where I need to fill it in, again, I just kind of do little light stroke. I kind of have to create some brow that isn't actually there. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it through. Look at the difference. That's insane. Okay, you know what, you guys? I'm not even gonna do taupe because it's clear that this is like a match made in heaven for me. Now let's go ahead and make them match. Genuinely, this is the best brow product I've ever used. Like truly, it looks like my real brow hair. And I'm using the same technique I always use, but this is 10 times better. And it goes on so smoothly. I think that's why it's looking so good because I don't have to press so hard. Okay, I'm good. I don't need anything else. Now I'm just gonna fluff. Now I will admit, I'm not usually a gel girly, okay? My eyebrows, like I don't have a ton of them, so I don't really need to like tame them. But I'm gonna try it out today. And you know, maybe it's just gonna take the right product to fall in love. This does seem like very minimal. When I pull it out, there's not like a ton of product on there, which I really like because you can easily kind of like overdo it. So I'm gonna go in and just kind of lightly fluff into place. Okay, wow, that's amazing. It doesn't look clumpy at all. It looks really nice, really natural. I am not a big fan of like the soap brow look. So I feel like this is perfect because it's just super natural and subtle. Yeah, again, like this is the best gel I've ever used. Any gel I've used always like clumps into it and just ends up making it not look good. See, they're just like perfectly in place and now they're not gonna move throughout the day. Okay, this may have converted me to be an eyebrow gel user. I'm amazed. I'm amazed. I've never been able to do my eyebrows this well. I have a feeling this is gonna sell out like crazy, okay? So if they are available right now as I'm filming this video at subtlbeauty.com, snag one, snag two, snag five for all your friends, your mother, your sister. Like I will definitely be updating you guys with like a wear test throughout the day. Okay, I need to stop talking. I could go on and on. These are incredible. Definitely grab them. Subtl, Rachel, you guys truly outdid yourself. I'm so excited to keep using these and to buy them for all my friends because I look amazing. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below. Let me know if you ordered already, what color you ordered, and if you've tried them yet. Last thing I'll say is I also love how versatile this is because if you're someone that has super thick eyebrows that you just need to like tame, you can do that real quick with the gel. Or if you're someone that has super thin eyebrows, you can fill them in and then, you know, freeze what you do have into place. So I just love how versatile this is. Definitely snag one if you're able to and if they're available. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every single Sunday. And again, comment down below. Let me know if you snagged one and what you think. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.